alumni has shown their tremendous performance as a graduate of this university. And I think with strong connection and networking of alumni, this can be done. You can form one strong cooperation of your alumni.
And we hope to continue the trend of organizing this event at Cyberjaya. And I hope our current students learn a lot of new techniques and your experiences being our former student and also now you're on the employment.
So overall, I would say it was a wonderful experience because people here were super friendly. I made a lot of friends and my lectures were particularly helpful. And honestly, I was given a lot of opportunity to try and error and to learn because of our lecturers themselves and their way of sort of structuring the course in a way that you are able to try. You are able to freely think, and I think that is wonderful.
My tips for psychology students in UoC is to explore, because you never know where you're going to be at, and never restrict yourself in one particular position or one particular field. And I believe it would help the fellow psychology students also.
The most valuable thing I took away from my few years here is definitely the people that I've met. I think University of Cyberjaya has a very wide range of students. You really get to meet a lot of people here from different backgrounds. That has really changed my perspective on life, and it really shaped me to be the person that I am today. And I'm really glad that I got to meet everyone that I did here.
Especially to all the faculty of OSH, whatever we learn in university, just keep that, hold it, but please open your heart, open your mind, and accept the new challenges outside. Do not be afraid. Every day is a learning process, so do not be afraid.
The biggest misconception of homeopathy is people don't know homeopathy exists in Malaysia and they don't know where to find the practitioner. So that is the biggest misconception. People don't know homeopathy exists in Malaysia.
But we went to a few states in Malaysia. I think my batch specifically we went to Johor to do Sunaton, and then we also had one session in Terengganu, Dungun if I'm not wrong, back in 2010, where the whole batch of us went there to provide health screening to the local community.
I chose the medical assistant program at USC because its strong reputation and comprehensive curriculum. The program offered a theoretical knowledge and skill experience, preparing me well for my career in healthcare.